What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a set of levers on this 2024 YZ450FX. The Bulletproof Designs lever kit is made out of durable forged lever blades and CNC machined 6061 T6 billet aluminum. Adjustable reach for a custom fit, including folding clutch and brake levers designed to flex during impact. Good ergonomic feel and quality hardware throughout the design. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.